Twitch. We got a twitch earlier, then it got disappeared. Now we're waiting for a tug. The line's coming slack here. There we go. See if it pulls again. Oh, wow. Oh, he pulled the rod out of the bucket. He pulled the rod out of the bucket, this guy here. Okay, do we have a good one? Don't know. We got the Inspira of the Shakespeare Micro Series. It don't seem like a big one, but he pulled the bucket. He pulled the rod out of the bucket. He pulled the rod out of the bucket. Wow! Oh, it came in really early. This guy here, like, whoa. Came in fast. This guy here. Small little guy. We got a green tag. No tag. Yay.